Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if your Samsung Ecobubble washing machine is displaying the error codes HC or TC1. Now, error codes on a Samsung washing machine indicate that there is an error with the machine. Thankfully, most of them are easily fixed. In terms of HC or TC1 error code, it means that the machine is not heating up properly, and there's likely to be a problem with the heating element. In this video, I'll show you how to check the heating element and replace it. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers or a 10mm socket set, and a flathead screwdriver. You'll also need a new heating element, and we'll provide a link to these in the description below. And remember, safety first, always make sure your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. Next thing we need to do is to remove the back panel by undoing the 6 Phillips head screws that hold it into place. With the back panel removed, this is the heating element here, with the electrical connections that go across the element. Now, it's worth pointing out that before trying to attempt to replace the heating element itself, it's worth making sure that these connections are on nice and tight. If you've noticed that they're loose or they've come disconnected, then it's worth reconnecting them, turning your machine on and having it check to see if that's solved the problem and made the error code disappear. If you've reconnected the electrical connections, checked the machine and the error code persists, then what you're going to have to do is to replace the heating element itself. For this model, what I need to do is to remove this panel by undoing the screw here, take out the thermostat, and then work the heater, the panel and the electrical connections around the belt. For some models, you have to take the belt off the machine as well. Now, we have a video on our eSpares YouTube channel describing exactly how to do that. So check that out if you feel that that needs to happen on your particular model. Do remember to unplug and disconnect the machine before carrying out any further work. So take the electrical connections off. And then remove the thermostat, gently pulling it away from the housing, like so. And then I can undo that screw and take the housing and the heating element out. Now, to remove the element from the heater cover, you can use your 10mm socket set to undo the nut or use a pair of pliers. When purchasing a new heating element for your Samsung Ecobubble washing machine, you're going to need the appliance's exact model number. This will ensure that you're getting the correct part for your particular machine. If you don't have the model number and you're unsure about where to find it, check out our video here, which will give you all the information you need. With our new heater element, we need to pop the heater cover on, and then put the nut on to secure it in place and use the pliers to tighten. Then we can push the heater in, making sure that the belt is removed out of the way. As far in as it will go. Then gently pushing the thermostat back inside the drum housing refit the electrical connections, and then finally screwing into place the heater cover and also the wire clamp. Make sure the wires are all in neatly. Once you're happy, you can replace the back panel. So there we have it, how to eradicate the error codes HC or TC1 from your Samsung Ecobubble washing machine. Hopefully your machine is up and running efficiently again. Now while you're here, why not check out our video down here, safety checks for your washing machine, to make sure you're using your machine safely and wisely. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more repair guides, appliance maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.